Just a quick video on one of my current projects I'm wrapping up, making a little hanging arcade sign. That's going to be, well, hanging in front of my arcade for an event in September. And it's going to be a double-sided sign. Right now I'm working on the back half. Let me show you the other part. So here's the back half. Just finished up wiring, also installing the light bulbs on it. So I have to hook it up to the other half you just saw and do a quick sanity check, make sure everything's working. And these little light bulbs are of the absolute lowest, finest quality. So there's a good chance there's probably about a dozen on this sign that don't even work. Yeah. Till next time.